So currently we have three different harem groups. And I'm sure you notice this is quite close for wild proboscis monkey. Otherwise, mostly you can go easily or closer with the macaques, but not this one. So you are very lucky. Due to the rain, they are delayed their movement. Yeah. And the juvenile is still sleepy. Hello. Yeah, all over the place. This is getting better and better. So take as many as you can, photo, video, because yeah, I'm sure you understand. To have this close, it's uncommon.